On September 28, 2003, Italy experienced one of its most significant power crises, plunging over 56 million people into darkness. At 3:20 p.m., Enel announced that hurricanes had destroyed the power line connecting Italy to Switzerland, while malfunctions hit the line to France. The impact was immediate and severe. 110 trains halted, trapping 30,000 passengers, and all flights were cancelled. Chaos erupted across cities, yet miraculously, there were no injuries. While neighboring countries like Austria and Slovenia remained unaffected, Geneva faced a brief blackout. After 3 long hours, power was gradually restored, but the memory of that day remains a stark reminder of our reliance on electricity. The 2003 Italian power crisis is considered one of the most significant power outages in modern history. Most of Italy's cities went dark except for the islands of Sardinia and Elba. On September 28, 2003, more than 56 million Italians suffered from a power outage. This paralyzed businesses and government agencies. It was one of the biggest energy crises in Italy in the past 70 years. At 3:20 on Sunday, September 28, 2003, Enel announced that the power line between Italy and Switzerland had been destroyed by hurricanes. There were also malfunctions in the 400 kilovolt power line between Italy and France. The power outage had many negative effects on the lives of Italian citizens. 110 trains stopped working, trapping 30,000 people inside them. All flights were cancelled. The Italian police described the scene as a state of general chaos. Fortunately, there were no injuries or major incidents. Although the power outage did not reach countries connected to Italy such as Austria, Croatia, and Slovenia, the canton of Geneva was unlucky enough to suffer a power outage for 3 hours. After 3 hours of power outage, power was restored in the northern regions, and after that, electricity was gradually restored in most places.